What's the meaning of Australian? Australian. Australian.
Australian. Australian. The term Australian refers to a person or thing related to or originating from the country of Australia. It is also used to describe the culture and way of life unique to Australia, including its history, traditions, and values. Australians are known for their laid-back attitudes, love of outdoor activities, and appreciation for multiculturalism. The country is home to a diverse range of landscapes, wildlife, and natural wonders such as the Great Barrier Reef and Uluru. Overall, being Australian encompasses a sense of pride and connection to the land down under.